You bought a Super Duty because you needed a serious truck. So why is your bed still just a flat floor with gear sliding around? A bed rack turns that space into an organized, accessible overlanding or work platform. Rooftop tents, recovery gear, lights, spare tires, all up top, all secured. Links to every option are in the description. Let's run it. Starting at number 5 with Overland AXIS. Built specifically for 8-foot full-size beds and constructed from 11-gauge steel, which is nearly 1/8 of an inch thick. That's meaningfully heavier than the 14 to 16 gauge sheet metal most competitors use, and it shows in the rigidity. Sits 18 inches above the bed rails, holds up to 750 pounds, and keeps the entire bed floor open underneath. Width adjusts from 52.5 to 65 inches. Pre-drilled mounting points for lights, high-lift jacks, fuel cans, and more. Bolts together in about 45 minutes. At number 4, EYOUHZ brings the highest load rating on this list. 1,000 pounds static, 500 pounds in motion. At 23 inches tall, it clears the cab perfectly without blocking bed access underneath. 2 LED light bars are included right in the box, which is a real bonus since most racks leave lighting as an afterthought. Slim slots along the sides and top accept any accessories you want to add. No drilling, mounts to the factory bed rail system. 1-year warranty with lifetime customer service. Available in short bed and long bed versions. Number 3 is VEVOR, the most straightforward budget pick on the list. Width adjusts from 46 to 71 inches, covering basically any full-size bed out there. 800-pound max load, reinforced crossbars, triangular gussets for stability, and sealed end caps that prevent rust from forming inside the tubes. A small detail that matters a lot for long-term durability. Quick J-bolt mounting means no drilling and no permanent modifications. 2 ratchet strap hooks are built in for securing oversized cargo. Removable whenever you need the full flatbed back. Coming in at number 2, OTHOWE is cut to length specifically for the Super Duty bed from front to back. 64 inches long, not a universal shorter profile that leaves gaps. 3mm thick carbon steel, 900 pounds static load, 500 pounds on the move. 3 LED light bars included for nighttime visibility. The patterned side panels add mounting slots for lights, jacks, extinguishers, and bike racks. No drilling, bolts to the factory bed track system. E-coat plus powder coat finish for long-term corrosion resistance. Fits $19.99 through 2025 Super Duty. And the top spot goes to Tyger Auto. And the over 100 mounting positions is what seals it. The U.S. patented V-plate side design adds diagonal bracing that maximizes structural strength. And every surface, the side plates, corner arms, and top, is loaded with mounting slots of different shapes and sizes for recovery boards, fuel cans, shovels, tents, spare tires, lights, and bike mounts. 750 pounds static load, no drilling required, works with or without factory utility rails. Backed by a 3-year warranty. The most versatile overlanding rack on this list, no contest. 5 bed racks for your Ford Super Duty. From a budget no-drill crossbar setup all the way to a patented V-plate overland platform with over 100 mounting positions. Your Super Duty works hard. Your bed rack should too. All the links are in the video description. If this helped, subscribe. More Super Duty content is on the way. See you next time.